Hello students, welcome to KitKat Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 7. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefit from KitKat Digital Learning. So like and subscribe to our school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is express the following rational numbers as decimals. So simply you can convert these fraction or rational number as a decimal number. So 2 divided by 5 we can convert these 2 into 20 after placing the 0 point decimal value. So we have value 20, then 5 4 are 20, and this is completely divisible by 5. So our solution of 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. Next part of this question, 3 divided by 30. So again we can divide it 30 divided by 3. So 3 is not possible to divide it by 30, so we can place that one decimal value and 3 converted into 30 after placing 0 point place value to upside. So 31 the 30 and it is again completely divided by uh, 30. So our solution of 3 divided by 30 is 0.1. Next question is express the following decimals as fractions. So simply you can convert these decimals to fraction. This is very simple and easy way to convert the decimal to fraction. Simply you can count the digit after decimal. So there are two number of digits. So we can divide it by 100. Means two digit we can place 20 down the fraction. Next question is 0.007. So after the point decimal, we have three digits. So we can divide it with three number of zeros, means thousands. Next question is express the following as recurring decimals. So simply you can convert these fractions into decimals. So we have value first 2 divided by 3. So simply we can place 0 point digit and convert 2 into 20. So 3 6 are 18 and we can subtract 20 to 18, then we have remainder 2. Again we can add 0 to the and 2 converted to 20. So 3 6 are 18, again we can subtract 20 minus 18, so we have remainder 2 and our solution of 2 divided by 3 is 0.66. Next question is 2 whole 3 upon 7. So simply we can convert these mixed fraction into proper fraction. So we have answer 17 upon 7 to simplify. So we can divide 17 to 7. So 7 2s are 14 and we have subtract 17 to 14. So we have answer 3. Then we can put the point decimal place and 3 converted to 30. Then 3 7 4 the 28. So we can subtract 30 to 28. So our solution is 2. So again we can put the value of 0 and 2 converted to 20. Then 7 to the 14. So we can subtract 20 to 14. Then our remainder is 6. Then again we add 0 to 6 and convert it to 60. Then 7 8 is 56. Then we can subtracting 60 to 56, our solution, our remainder is 4. Then again we can add 0 to 4 and 4 converted to 40. So 7 5 is 35. So we can subtract 40 to 35. So our remainder is 5. So our solution of 2 whole 3 upon 7 is in decimal value 2.4285. Next question is 6 whole 6 upon 7. So again we can convert these mixed fraction into proper fraction. So 7 6 are 42 and 42 plus 6 we have 48 upon 7. So this is final fraction to solve. So 48 divided by 7. So 7 6 are 42. So we can subtract 48 to 42 and our remainder is 6. Then we can add the decimal and 6 converted to 60. So 7 8 are 56. So we can subtract 60 to 56 and our solution is 4. Then we can again add 0 to 4 and 4 converted to 40. Then 7 5 the 35 and after 40 minus 35 we have answer remainder 5. So again we can add 5 to 0 and 5 converted to 50. Then 7 7 the 49 and our remainder is 1. So our solution of 6 whole 6 upon 7 in decimal value is 6.857 and so on. Next question is word problem. Henry had a piece of cloth measuring 674.95 centimeter He cut off a 217.43 centimeter long piece from it. What length of cloth remaining? Round off the answer to one decimal place. So simply you can subtract the total length to cutting length to find the remaining piece. So this is very simple and easy value, easy question. And after finding the solution, you can round off the answer to one decimal place. So let's start our solving the problem. So our total length is 674.95 and the cutting of piece is 217.43 centimeter. So our remaining piece of the cloth is 457.52 centimeter. So our requirement is one decimal place. So our question is two decimal place means 52. So 2 is less than 5, so we can cut off 2 and our solution is 457.5. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project. As 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.